Okay, stop.
Okay, we are in the old Parliament building of Greece. This is where many important decisions were made, including the declaration of the First and Second Balkan Wars, of World War I, of the Asia Minor War, the Turkish War of Independence. Now it's used as a place for talks by the National Historical Museums. The seats are the original seats, so up to 1924 this was the Parliament of Greece. And up there would be the people who wanted to just watch the show. And let me show you, this is funny. So over here are original reproductions of Greek voting.
You threw the envelope from
No
there.
envelope, there was no envelope. So you would put a picture of the politician or a symbol of
picture?
the party. So you'll put Venizelos here, Gounaris here, Metaxas here. And you will take, there were like two small racks, one black and one white. And you could either put your white rack, you would put your hand in here and throw your white rack here, which meant a vote for that person. Or you could put your black rack into a person, which is a vote against that person. So essentially you could say, for example, I'm going to vote for Gounaris, and then I'm going to vote against Venizelos. So you could vote twice essentially. Once with your white rack, which is a vote in support, and once with your black rack, which is a vote in opposition. In Greek, there's a word saying "ta se mavriso," which means I will make you black, and it comes from there. It meant like hatred, so I will put my black vote there. You can close it now.
So one more time.